welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is inverse Laplace transform. We solved some problems. Last video it was given some problems. Now we consider the remaining problems. These are very important, very easy and interesting also. Find the inverse Laplace transform of. So we consider this problem. Number A, s minus 2 by 6 s square plus 20, and this is 2s minus 5 by 9 s square plus 25, and these are given. Now we want to find inverse Laplace transform of this. Now solution, first we consider number A. L inverse s minus 2 by 6 s square plus 20. We get this. Now we separate this one. L inverse s by 6 s square plus 20 minus 2 by 6 s square plus 20. Just we separate this. Now we know this formula in case of inverse Laplace transform. L inverse s by s square plus a square. This is cos at. L inverse a by s square plus a square. This is sin at. We know this formula. But all the formula, the coefficient of s square is 1. This is s square coefficient 1, here also 1. And remaining formula also we get s square coefficient 1. But here we get s square coefficient 6. Here also s square coefficient 6. So it must be 1. Now we're taking 6 common. L inverse s by 6 common, then s square plus 20 by 6, and here also 6 common, s square 20 by 6. We get this. Now we separate this one, 1 by 6 outside. L inverse s by s square plus 10 by 3, and this is 2 by 6 outside. L inverse 1 by s square plus 10 by 3. If we cancelling, we get 10 by 3. Now in our formula we get s square plus a square. Here also s square plus a square, either plus or minus, but these are square of two terms. But here the square not given, we find this is square. How to find square? Then L inverse s square 10 by 3 whole square, and this is 1 by 3 L inverse s square root 10 by 3 whole square, and numerator is 1, we write here root 10 by 3, and outside we write root 3 by 10. Then this will be cancelled, ultimately we get 1. Then we get this one. So this is direct formula, s by s square plus a square. S by s square plus a square is cos 80. So this will be cos 80. 6 cos root 10 by 3 t. We get this. And if we multiply this 3 under root, then we get this is 3 square. This will be 3 square into 10. And L inverse, not L inverse, this is a by s square plus a square. This formula, a by s square plus a square, this will be sin 80. So this is sin 80 root 10 by 3 t. Or we can write this one. This can be written as 1 by 6 cos root over 10 by 3 t, and this is 3 cancel. Then 1 we get numerator, this 3 cancel, then 1 by root 30. 1 by root 30 sine root 10 by 3 t. So we get 1 by 6 cos root over 10 by 3 t, and the 3 cancel, 3 and 10 is 30, 1 by 30 root 30 sine root over 10 by 3 t, and this is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy also. B, L inverse twice s minus 5, that means inverse Laplace transform of twice s minus 5 by 9s square minus 25. Again we separate this twice s by 9s square minus 25, 5 by 9s square minus 25. We separate this. Now again here we get s square coefficient 9, taking 9 common. L inverse twice s, this is 9 common, then we get s square minus 25 by 9, because the coefficient of s square must be 1. And here L inverse 5 by, here also 9 common, then we get s square minus 25 by 9. We get this. Now 2 by 9 is constant, this is outside, this one outside. This is L inverse s by s square minus 5 by 3 whole square, 5 by 3 whole square. And here 5 by 9 outside, L inverse 1 by s square minus 5 by 3 whole square. We get this one. But here 5 by 3, here we can write 5 by 3, and here 3 by 5. Extra we write 5 by 3, and here we write 3 by 5. This cancel, ultimately get 1. Now we know this formula. L inverse s by s square minus a square, this is cos hyperbolic at. L inverse a by s square minus a square, this is sine hyperbolic at. If denominator is minus, then we get hyperbolic. So if it is s, then cos hyperbolic at, and this is sine, then sine hyperbolic at. So here we get 2 by 9 s by s square minus a square. This is minus, then this will be cos hyperbolic. A means 5 by 3. 5 by 3 t. And this 5 cancel, 3 cancel. 1 by 3 a by s square minus a square. Then this is sine hyperbolic 5 by 3 t. This is our answer. Very nice solution. 2 by 9 cos hyperbolic 5 by 3 t, and 1 by 3 sine hyperbolic 5 by 3 t. This is our answer. Now number C, consider L inverse 6 by twice s minus 3, 3 plus 4s by 9s square minus 16 plus 8 minus 6s by 16s square plus 9. We get this one. Now this is L inverse 6 s coefficient 2, taking 2 common, s minus 3 by 2, and we separate this 3 by 9s square minus 16, this minus, this will be minus, 4s by 9s square minus 16, 8 by 16s square plus 9, 6s by 16s square plus 9. We separate this. All of this is separate. Then this one cancel, we get 3. 3 taking outside, L inverse 1 by s minus 3 by 2, and this 3 taking outside L inverse, and from this 9 common, s square minus 16 by 9, we get this 4 outside L inverse s by 9 common, s square minus 16 by 9, we get this one, and this is 8 outside L inverse 1 by 16 common, s square plus 9 by 16, and this is 6 outside L inverse s by 16 common, s square plus 9 by 16. We get this. We get this one. Now this is our formula. We know this formula, L inverse 1 by s minus a, this is e to the power 80. If 1 by s minus a, then e to the power 80. This is s minus a, this will be e to the power 3 by 2t. A means 3 by 2. And here this taking outside, this cancel 1 by 3, L inverse, this is s 4 by 3 whole square. This is also we write 4 by 3, but outside is 3 by 4. Because here 4 by 3 given, we write 4 by 3 and outside 3 by 4. We get this one. And this is 4 by 9 outside L inverse s by s square minus 4 by 3 whole square. And this 8 and 16 cancel, 1 by 2 L inverse, this is s square plus 3 by 4 whole square, 3 by 4 whole square, and here we write 3 by 4, and this is 4 by 3. We get 4 by 3. This one. And this is 6 by 16 L inverse s by s square plus 3 by 4 whole square. This one we get. Now we know this formula. This is L inverse s by s square minus a square. This is cos hyperbolic 80. L inverse, this is a by s square minus a square. This is sine hyperbolic 80. Then L inverse s by s square plus a square. This is cos 80. L inverse a by s square plus a square. This is sine 80. If it is minus, then hyperbolic. If it is plus, then direct cosine sine we get. This formula we get. And first term remains same, e to the power 3 by 2t, and this 3 cancel, 1 by 4 a by s square minus a square. This formula, a by s square minus a square, this sine hyperbolic 80. So this will be sine hyperbolic 80. A means 4 by 3. And this is 4 by 9 s by s square minus a square. S by s square minus a square cos hyperbolic 80. So this will be cos hyperbolic 80. A means 4 by 3. And this is cancel, 2 by 3 we get, 2 cancel, 2 by 3. A by s square plus a square. A by s square plus a square sine 80. So this will be sine 3 by 4. And this is cancelling, 3 by 8, cancelling by 2, 3 by 8. S by s square plus a square, this formula. This is cos 3 by 4 t. So we get this one, 3 e to the power 3 by 2t minus 1 by 4 sin hyperbolic 4 by 3t and 4 by 9 cos hyperbolic 4 by 3t 2 by 3 this one. So this is our final answer. Though this one long problem but easy, just you have to separate this by this by this by this and taking s square coefficient common, then ultimately answer will come. Another problems. Find the inverse Laplace transform of 3s minus 8 by 4s square plus 25, 3 into s square minus 2 whole square by 2s to the power 5. Now solution, first we consider number 1. L inverse 3s minus 8 by 4s square plus 25. First we separate this 3s by 4s square plus 25 minus 8 by 4s square plus 25. And first target s square coefficient should be 1. So L inverse 3s by 4 common, then s square plus 25 by 4, and L inverse 8, this is 4 common, then s square plus 25 by 4, we get this one. Now 3 by 4 constant, this is outside, 3 by 4, L inverse s by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square, and this is cancel, we get 2 taking outside, 2 outside, L inverse s square plus 5 by 2 whole square, 25 by 4 means 5 by 2 whole square, and here we write 5 by 2 and outside is 2 by 5, we write this 5 by 2, 2 by 5 and 5 by 2 cancel, ultimately we get this one 1 by this 2 already taken outside. Now I recall the formula, L inverse s by s square plus a square, this is cos at, L inverse a by s square plus a square, this is sin at, we know this. So s by s square plus a square, first formula you get, this is 3 by 4 cos 5 by 2 t, this 2 to cancel, 1 by 5 a by s square plus a square, so sin at, 5 by 2 t, so you get 3 by 4 cos 5 by 2t and 1 by 5 sin 5 by 2t, and this is our answer. Very nice solution. Number B, solution number B, L inverse 3 s square minus 2 whole square and 2 s to the power 5. 3 by 2 constant is outside, L inverse s to the power 5, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, we get this. This is 3 by 2 L inverse s to the power 4 minus 4 s to the power 4 by s to the power 5, 4 s square by s to the power 5, 4 by s to the power 5, and this is 3 by 2 L inverse 1 by s, this is 4 constant outside, L inverse 1 by s cube, and this is 4 outside, L inverse 1 by s to the power 5, we get this. But we know this formula, L inverse 1 by s to the power n equal to t to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. 1 by s to the power L inverse 1 by s to the power n equal to t to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. And this is 3 by 2. L inverse 1 by s means 1. This is 4. 1 by s to the power n, t to the power n minus 1 by factorial n minus 1. This is 3 minus 1. And this is 4. T to the power 5 minus 1 by factorial 5 minus 1. We get this one. Now finally we get this will be 3 by 2 remains same. 1 minus 4t square by factorial 2 and plus 4 t to the power 4 by factorial 4. We get this. We get this one. This is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 remains same, or multiplying this. Factorial 2 means 2, then 2, and if we multiply with this, then this is 2 and this 2 4, we get 3t square. And this is 3 by 2, this is 24, 4 by 24 t to the power 4. This is 3 by 2 minus 3t square, and this is 4, and this is 12, this is 2, 1 by 4 t to the power 4. 3 by 2, 3t square 1 by 3 by 2, this is 4, and this one factorial 4 means 4 3, factorial 4 means 4 3 2 1, this is 24. 24, if we cancel, this is 3 and 4 12, cancelling this we get this one. So this is our final answer, and these are very easy, very simple, very interesting also. So dear students, these are important for any engineering courses. It may be civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, electronics, computer science engineering. These are most important for exam. It may be second semester or third semester, but important. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please share the video to other parents also. Then they will get also some interest about this solution. Thank you for watching the video.